The Pyro Pelicans.
What did our team do the best and why?
Work very efficiently and agree on good ideas. Our group worked very efficiently because everyone had something to do. For example, I worked on the scale model drawing where I had to draw what the lengths of all the pieces of wood was.
What did our team do the worst and why?
Didn't split up the duties very well.
We did not split up the duties very well, and we made up jobs while we were working.
What improvements did we make?
One about making the scale drawing model is that we used foam and just glued them together, and then we wrote down the measurements on the chair. Our design is supposed to look good on the outside. Something that we could fix about the model is making better structures, because even though it's strong, there could be triangles which make it even stronger.
Our project, we were caught standing around because we didn't know what else to do when we could have done something else, and that's something we can improve on. Other things like having a better start in the beginning and distributing the work evenly.
This is our first prototype. We did not do such a great job with this because the dimensions were off. This is our second prototype, and we did a much better job with the dimensions this time, and they were all to scale. This is our scale drawing. This is so we can do the real stool. This is the amount of wood and screws we need to build the chair. These are all the things we needed to build our chair.
Our challenges were finding where to drill without hitting other screws or going through the wood. We had to use toenail screwing to screw the wood because we ran out of extra long screws. We should have made a chair from the bottom to the top because it was challenging making the seat of the chair first instead of making the frame first. And also another challenge was when we had all the chairs cut for the wood and everything, not all of the pieces of wood fit to where we were planning for it to fit.
This is us drilling the wood. This is us sanding the wood. And this is the chair made by the Pyro Pelicans. All around, the chair is very, very heavy for how small it is. It's low to the ground, so you won't tip over, and it has a low center of gravity. Most of the supports are on the bottom and in between the chair legs. This is so it keeps the legs straight and together, and it keeps the seat screwed in with the chair legs. This is very important for the sitter or the person sitting on the chair because you don't want to fall through or break the chair. Thank you for watching.
The Pyro Pelicans.